I'm Haley Ann with this week's health and nutrition news. Our memories aren't perfect. In fact, they can be affected by things like past experiences and emotions. Our memories can also be damaged by a traumatic brain injury, or TBI, which is damage to the brain that makes it difficult to recall stored memories or make new ones. Now, the USA's military research group, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, is developing a brain chip implant to fix these issues. DARPA has a program called Restoring Active Memory that is dedicated to creating neuroprosthetics, which are implantable devices that aid with brain-related processes that were either damaged by injury or affected by illness. There is still a ton of research to be done before the implants are where they need to be, but sometime in the future, memory loss could be a thing of the past. The word mosquito comes from the Spanish word meaning little fly, but when it comes to myths about mosquitoes, there is nothing little about them. For instance, did you know that not all mosquitoes prefer human blood? There are about 3,500 different species in the world, and they enjoy a wide range of food, including nectar, reptiles, and birds. Speaking of blood, mosquitoes do not discriminate one type from another. An old study found that these tiny bugs preferred type O blood, but the study was later disproved. Mosquitoes are actually more concerned with things like your body temperature and body odor. Also, only female mosquitoes drink your blood. Now that we have all these facts down, there's just one question left to answer. Are mosquitoes related to vampires? Riding a bicycle is one of the healthiest ways to stay fit. Pedaling away on a two-wheeler uses several muscles, takes stress off joints, kicks the heart rate into high gear, and burns up to 500 calories in a single hour. According to science, people who ride their bikes frequently tend to be happier, healthier, and live longer. In fact, cyclists who participate in the Tour de France, a yearly bike race in France that covers about 2,200 miles, tend to add an extra 8 years to their lives. So whether you're in it for the intense workout or a better mindset, biking is a healthy activity to pick up. Just don't forget your helmet. Most of us know that fast food is bad for our bodies, and now a new study says that these foods can weaken your immune system and even pass on defects to your children. Researchers found that eating large amounts of them over a long period of time leads to a reduced ability to fight off infections and greater chances of developing cancer, redness, swelling, and pain. The negative impact that fast food has on the immune system gets coded into our DNA, the body's blueprints, and then gets passed on to our future kids. Cutting out fast food and maintaining a diet that is low in fat and sugar will help keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Sweat stinks. Or does it? Our bodies have two glands that create sweat. The eccrine gland, which produces sweat all over your body, and the apocrine gland, which produces sweat in areas that have lots of hair, like your scalp. Sweat is simply water mixed with chemicals like salt and potassium, and actually has no smell at all. The odor that we associate with sweat is caused by bacteria living on our skin. Yuck, I bet that makes you want to go take about 5 showers, but you better not, because showering too much can dry out your skin and cause you to sweat even more. Who would have thought sweat could be so complicated?